We're gonna be making some tacos.
Today we're gonna be making some tacos.
Tacos.
And you guys can make them with us.
Yay.
So, first, you guys might think that we'll probably use like hard shell tacos that are bought from the grocery store or something.
Wrong.
But we're making them.
Yeah.
So, they're really simple actually. All you have to have is warm water. Got that right there in the green cup. And then you're also gonna need some corn flour right here. You can get it at pretty much any grocery store. You might even have it at home probably.
But try to make these tacos bigger.
Yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix about an even amount of both. So first we're gonna pour in some water here, warm water. All right, you got that. And then you're gonna mix in your corn flour. Remember, it depends on how many corn shells you're gonna be making, but don't use the amount that we're using because we're mini. All right, so choose your amount of choose your amount of corn.
We'll get you some time.
Yeah, some corn flour and the amount of water you want. And then you're gonna mash that up.
Hey, wait, don't do it yet.
Yep.
We gotta wait till they're finished.
All right, so we're gonna give that a nice mix, and then you can mash it up. And then once you feel comfortable enough, because it's gonna be a bit watery, and if it's too watery, then add some corn flour. But if it's not watery enough, well, if it's too dry and it breaks apart, then you're gonna have to add some more water. All right, so once you've done that, then
It does look a little bit watery. You should add some more.
then you'll get to step 2. See you there. Okay. All right, so now you see we got our nice mixed and it's even, so you can kind of squish it around.
Let's squish it.
Ooh, squish it.
So now you can put the bowl aside.
Now we should wipe our hands.
Yeah, make sure your hands are nice and clean so that you don't get germs.
We got a napkin here.
All right, so next you're gonna split it into however many tacos you want to make. So we're gonna do that right now. We've got this, and then we're gonna split it into 3 pieces.
I know we have a big knife.
Yeah, it's so big. Beautiful. All right, so now we're gonna make these, and we're gonna I'll just put these 2 aside. What you're gonna do, you're gonna kind of shape it into a ball, smack it on the cutting board, and press it down, just like that, all right? So now that, once you got that done, all right, so you're gonna do that with all your tortillas. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a super sharp knife. This one's super sharp, and we're gonna slowly hit it until it comes off like this. All right? And then next, you're gonna need adults for this part. You're gonna go to the stove, all right? And you're gonna turn on your stove. You don't need to butter the pan, just to about midway, maybe a bit past midway. All right? You don't need to butter it. And you're just gonna put them right on there. All right, there you go. And you're just gonna let that cook for like a couple minutes. You wanna keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn. Yeah. All right, so once it's a couple minutes have passed, you're just gonna check the other side. It doesn't have to be crispy, but if it's nice and like pretty hard, then you can go ahead and flip it. All right, once that you've checked the other side and it's about the same, nice and hard, then you can go ahead and you can put that on a plate. All right, so now, once you've cooked your taco shell, you can get some of your favorite toppings here.
Ooh,
These are a bit small compared to human. Like this is compared to a human thumb. Don't question. So we got meat, lettuce, crackers, I didn't put that there. I put some cheese there. So now we can just put all that on there. Alright? Sound good?
Sounds good.
Alright.
Yep.
Let's do this. And once you're done, you get yourselves some beautiful tacos. You can serve with a side of crackers or lime or something. And yeah, enjoy. Alright, and that's how to make your taco shells. And how's that taco over there, Karis?
It's good. I don't know about. Yeah, it's very good.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Yeah, that looks very good. You can get some salsa too. That's what we got. Or you can even make some guacamole. Oh, that's good. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Well,
Bye.
I definitely want to do some more food videos, so yeah.
Bye.
Alright. Bye. If you like this video, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching.